Hello, hello, hello. I am here to try out and review this stamp set. It's got a stamp block and then a few of the stamps. It's from, I think the company is called Ginds, G-I-N-D-S. I'll have to look online if I can find a link to anything about these products. I will let you know what I found. Alright, so first let's unpackage the stamps. I can't even remember when I got these or where I got these from, but more than likely they were probably something that was on sale, because usually art and craft supplies I don't I only buy them on sale. I do like that the block has the grid lines on it. I don't know how well there you go, which I think is a nice feature. Alrighty. And let's go ahead and we'll try it. Do a few of them. We'll do the word, one of the flowers. I always worry about ripping these when I'm pulling them off the plastic for the first time. And then we'll do we'll set of 3 flowers, and then we'll see how these look. Alright, here we go. Oh yeah, those are pretty. I like the word a lot. Let's see if I can get you a little closer. Yeah, I think that turned out actually pretty nice. Yeah, I'm happy with that set. That's cute. Very cute. Yeah, I would say seems like it's a good company based on this experience. Yeah, I'm really happy with how that turned out. That's cute. I like the fine lines and then the little flowers. Yeah, I'll see if I can find a link. If you have ever used one of the products by this company, let me know. By, I guess, Ginds. Yeah, Ginds, I guess. And if you haven't, do you do paper crafts at all? Or use paper crafting supplies, maybe for doing cards or letters or what have you. Maybe even journaling. Let me know down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!